Here are the steps to become a notary in Wisconsin. To qualify to become a notary, you'll need to be 18 or older, a U.S. resident, have the equivalent of an 8th grade education, familiar with the duties and responsibilities of a notary public, and you can't have any disqualifying offenses on your record. To start, you'll need to go to the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions to take the notary tutorial exam. Purchase a notary seal to affix on the bottom left of your application form. Take an oath of office in front of a current Wisconsin notary and purchase a bond with $500 in coverage. Then, submit all of these with your completed application, exam certificate, oath of office form, and filing fee. You will be notified by email when your commission is approved and receive a commission certificate from the Department of Financial Institutions. Finally, you may want to order some supplies. Although it's not required by the state, using a notary journal to keep track of the notarizations you perform is considered a best practice. Are you ready to become a notary in Wisconsin? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Wisconsin. Visit nationalnotary.org/Wisconsin to get started today.